Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be using Power Query again. Today we're going to be using Power Query to combine files. So let's get started. So on my desktop I have a folder called Countries. We open this folder and we have a list of files from these countries: Canada, France, Germany, Mexico, United States of America. We want to create a query that's going to combine all the data in each file into one single file. To do this, open a new Excel workbook, go up to Data, click on Get Data, click on From File and From Folder. Now we browse for the folder path. Press OK. Up comes a dialog window and we click on Transform Data. Now we highlight the Content column, right click and remove the other columns. Now we'll click on Add Column, Custom Column. Now we're going to use a Power Query function, excel.workbooks. Excel.workbook, open bracket, double click on the available columns content, close brackets, press OK. Now we can get rid of this column, we don't need this anymore. Remove. Now we'll open up this list here, all these tables. Press this button here, open up them, press OK. Now the one we're looking for now is the tables data, so we highlight data, right click, remove other columns. Now press this button again to open all the data, press OK. Now and click on this little table icon in the corner, use first row as headers, and click on that. Now all our data is in one file, but every file has its own header. So to remove all the headers in one go, we can just simply filter them out. If we click on the filter for the first column, scroll down, unclick segment, press OK. Now we can simply click home, close and load too. I'm going to import the data as a table. I'm going to add it to the existing worksheet. Press OK. Now we have 699 rows loaded. If we click on the column country, you see we have Canada, France, Germany, Mexico, United States of America. All the files have been imported successfully. This is a very fast method of combining files when all the files are in the same format. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button as we upload Excel tutorials weekly. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.